Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI image. If it is the first time watching my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So I'm showing you how to generate a realistic AI image. And you can also generate a motion for it also in this on this platform. So the platform name is app.leonardo.ai. So leonardo.ai is the name of the platform. You just have to sign up and you'll be given some welcome bonus. So the bonus will be given is like up to like 100 coin, just like mine. So I already subscribed to the premium. That's why I have more than 100. So as you can see, I have more than up to like 8,276 coin. That means I can use. So we have a lot of tools that you can use, the AI tools, image creation, motion, realistic canvas, and real-time generation. So after you sign up, then you'll be able to make use of these tools, AI tools here. So the first thing you have to do is like to generate AI image. You can come down here by the left of your screen and scroll down, check the AI image, then click on it. So it's take you to another page. So this is it. As you can see, let's say I want to generate something like generate a hyper realistic image of a female speaking to an audience with her mouth open mid speech, capturing the natural movement as if she's saying something. So this is a realistic image. Let's just say I want to generate something to this. So I can say generate a hyper realistic image of a female. Let me just say of an African female. African female speaking to an audience. Let's just make use of it like that. You just click on the generate. As you can see, if you want to generate, it says generate like 57, it will deduct 57 coin. So that's it. Just click on generate. So wait until it's finished generating. So everything will be generated like can generate up to like 6 at the same time. So this is where you can change the numbers of image you want the AI platform to generate for you. Like maybe more than 6, you can generate up to like 8. But for the free version, I think the highest you can generate at the same time is 4. Yeah, I think for the free version. But I think for the premium version, I think you can generate up to like the maximum number that is there. So that's it. Just wait until it's finished loading. So again, you can also change the settings of the AI image that you want to generate. You can change some things like the preset, style, contrast, and generation mode. Maybe you want to generate like fast something for you, or to generate the quality, you can also choose there. But maybe you want to generate like image dimensions for your Instagram, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook account, or any platform you are making use of, any social platform you are making use of. You can generate the image dimension, like the image size that you want it to generate for you. So this is you can generate, and maybe you want it to be in small size, medium, and large. Wow, this is very cool. As you can see, these are exact things I asked for. I said generate a hyper-realistic image of an African female speaking to an audience. So this person actually looks like she's speaking to an audience. Yeah. So this is it. So this is how it is like, and you can also download it direct. If you download it, it will not have anything like watermark. No, no, no. Just download it like just like having a normal image. There won't be any. We are using the free version, so that's how you do it. And you can also change it to like motion. Maybe you just want the image to move for like 2, and you can see generate motion video. And you can also edit in canvas also. You can also delete it. Maybe there is a specific image like you like, you can also use the image as an guidance for an input. So that's why you can do it. So you can also remove the background if you are trying to remove the background. They say this will cost you like 2 tokens. So that's it. So you can download the image. So then it will show you. So generate motion. You can also let me generate a motion so you can see how it looks. So this is the motion. It will take like 25 coin. So this is how the motion will look like. And you can also replace the image. You can also select it for maybe like you have a recent image that you want to generate motion for. You can also select it here. So that's how you do it. So you can also replace the image. Maybe you have a specific image you want to generate motion for, like maybe from like outside the, let me just say from your computer files or your phone or your file. So that's why you can also generate a motion like up to like 10 motion strengths. So I don't want it to be private, just like private stuff like that. So if you want to generate it for like private, you can do that. Just click on generate. So let's wait for our motion video to generate. So these are the preset I'm talking about. You can generate a phoenix, anime, like cinematic, concept AI. So you can try all these preset style when you sign up on the platform. That's how you do it. So they also have like stock photograph that you can also generate if you are also interested in that stuff like that. So I'm making use of portrait perfect. This is the preset I'm using. So let's just wait for our motion video to finish generating. I think it's going to like 100. It'll just reach 47.96. So and there are also a lot of AI platform that you can also use to generate image. So I'll be dropping more video on that in case I find a new platform that will generate a real realistic image of videos for you. So kindly make sure you follow me and subscribe to my channel and like my video and share my video. So that's why I do it. So let's just wait for our video. So I think our video is done. So can you see it? This really looks nice, very nice. So it's even showing that some people are even clapping. Can you see it? So this video, this AI, this AI platform really looks nice and it's very reactive, very effective. So I really like it. So good day everyone, thanks for watching. You can also download it in case you want to download it. So that's how I do it. But for the free version, if you are making use of the free version, you won't be able to generate a motion for it until you subscribe to the premium. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Good day everyone.